Welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most futuristic SUVs on the road, the Tesla Model X. With its iconic Falcon Wing doors, insane performance, and cutting-edge tech, this is not your average family SUV. The Tesla Model X stands out instantly with its sleek, aerodynamic design. The signature Falcon Wing doors aren't just for show, they make entering tight parking spaces surprisingly easy. Up front, you get Tesla's clean, grille-less look, while the large glass windshield stretches over the driver for a panoramic view. Step inside, and it's all about minimalism and technology. The Model X features a massive 17-inch touchscreen that controls almost everything. You also get a digital driver display, premium materials, and seating for up to 7 passengers. One of the highlights is Tesla's yoke steering wheel, giving the cabin a futuristic, aircraft-inspired feel. Plus, with over-the-air updates, the car keeps getting smarter over time. When it comes to performance, the Model X is shockingly quick for an SUV. The Plaid version delivers mind-blowing acceleration, going from 0 to 100 km per hour in just about 2.6 seconds. Thanks to dual or tri-motor all-wheel drive, you get incredible traction and control in all conditions. It's not just fast, it's smooth, silent, and effortless. Being fully electric, the Tesla Model X offers an impressive range of over 500 kilometers on a single charge, depending on the variant. And with access to Tesla's supercharger network, you can recharge quickly and get back on the road in no time. The Model X is packed with advanced tech, including autopilot and optional full self-driving capability. It also boasts top-tier safety ratings, with features like automatic emergency braking, collision warning, and multiple cameras for 360-degree visibility. So, is the Tesla Model X the ultimate electric SUV? With its futuristic design, insane performance, and cutting-edge technology, it definitely sets a high benchmark. What do you think about the Model X? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome car content.